Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world. Millions of people drink coffee every day, but many people do not know how coffee is produced in a factory. The journey of coffee begins with coffee cherries and ends with the packaged coffee that we buy from shops. This process involves several important stages, including harvesting, cleaning, drying, roasting, grinding, packaging, and quality control. The first stage is harvesting. Coffee plants produce small fruits called coffee cherries. When the cherries become ripe, they are collected from the plants. Only good quality and properly matured cherries are selected because the quality of the raw material has a major effect on the final coffee. After harvesting, the cherries are transported to the coffee processing factory. At the factory, the cherries are inspected and sorted. Unripe, damaged, or poor quality cherries are removed. The remaining cherries are washed to remove dirt, leaves, stones, and other unwanted materials. The next stage is pulping. Coffee cherries contain a layer of skin and fruit around the coffee beans. Special machines remove the outer skin and pulp from the cherries. After this process, the coffee beans are separated from most of the fruit material. Depending on the production method, the beans may then go through fermentation and washing. Fermentation helps remove the remaining fruit material from the beans. After fermentation, the beans are washed carefully with clean water. The beans are then sent for drying. Drying is an important step because freshly processed beans contain a high amount of moisture. The beans can be dried naturally in sunlight or by using mechanical dryers. During drying, the beans are regularly moved so that they dry evenly. Proper drying helps maintain the quality of the beans during storage. After drying, the beans go through hulling. A special machine removes the outer layer surrounding the dried beans. The beans are then cleaned and sorted according to their size, weight, appearance, and quality. Defective beans are separated from good quality beans. One of the most important stages is roasting. Green coffee beans are placed inside large roasting machines and heated at controlled temperatures. During roasting, the beans change from green to brown and develop their characteristic coffee flavor and aroma. The roasting temperature and duration are carefully controlled because they have a major effect on the taste of the final product. After roasting, the beans are cooled quickly. This stops the roasting process and helps preserve the desired flavor. The roasted beans are then inspected again to ensure that they meet the required quality standards. Some coffee is sold as whole roasted beans, while other coffee is sold as powder. For ground coffee, the roasted beans are sent to grinding machines. These machines break the beans into small particles. The size of the coffee powder depends on the type of coffee being produced and how it will be prepared. In some factories, different types of coffee beans are blended together. Blending allows manufacturers to create a particular taste, aroma, and strength. The beans are mixed according to a specific formula to maintain a consistent product. After processing, the coffee is ready for packaging. Modern factories use automatic packaging machines to measure the correct quantity of coffee and place it into packets, jars, cans, or other containers. The packages are sealed carefully to protect the coffee from air, moisture, heat, and contamination. Good packaging helps preserve the freshness and aroma of the coffee. The packaged products then go through quality control. Factory workers and quality control specialists check the coffee's appearance, aroma, taste, weight, packaging, and labeling. They also make sure that the products meet the required safety and quality standards. Products that do not meet the standards are removed before reaching consumers. Finally, the finished coffee products are stored in a warehouse and sent to different shops, supermarkets, cafes, restaurants, and markets. From these places, the coffee reaches customers in different parts of the country and around the world. In conclusion, coffee factory processing is a long and carefully controlled process. It starts with harvesting ripe coffee cherries and continues through cleaning, pulping, drying, hulling, sorting, roasting, grinding, packaging, and quality control. Every stage is important for producing good quality coffee. Modern technology and machinery help factories maintain hygiene, consistency, and efficiency. So, the next time we enjoy a cup of coffee, we can remember that it has gone through many important steps before reaching our cup.